Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I'll color this wig. And if you haven't watched the video yet, I'm going to put the link up right up here so you can watch me create this whole wig from scratch. But today I'm going to use the new Pravana Everlasting colors because I think it's super cool that now we can have fashion shades in permanent color. And I also wanted to showcase the 3 different shades that Pravana came up with. The way I want to apply the colors would be to use the magenta at the root, then blending it to the pink, and at the bottom I want to do a line of the red. But what you would see me do before the color application is to tone down the wig with some hot water and purple shampoo. And the reason behind that is to cancel out some of the yellow in the blonde so I can have more of a platinum icy blonde to apply the colors on. That way the colors would be more true to tone and have somewhat of a cooler shade even though they're all warm colors. And after I tone it down with the shampoo, I'm actually going to apply the colors on damp hair, and the reason behind that is so it can help me with the color blend. And since I'm using permanent colors, I can't apply it on wet hair. If that was semi-permanent, it should always be applied on dry. So if you want to see me transform this blonde bob into a pink fantasy, just keep watching.